I'm excited about this property. Now let me tell you why. 5500 Collins Avenue, Suite 903, the Miami Beach Tower House Luxury Condominiums. Here are the details. Faces west. Interior, 2,800 square feet. 2 bedrooms plus a den. 3.5 bathrooms. Maintenance, $3,000 monthly. Wood and carpet floor throughout. Building profile, built in 1974 with a total of 84 units. That's right, this is a boutique building in old world style and quality. Elevators, 2+1 service. This property actually occupies 3 entire lots. 1 lot in the center where the building occupies itself, and then 1 to the south and 1 to the north, guaranteeing views forever for the residents of this beautiful building. Rental restrictions. There's a 1-year moratorium wait with a 5-year minimum. Pets. Must be able to carry pet in one's arms, 20 pounds maximum. Swimming pool, jacuzzi, billiard, card room, gym, tennis court, and restaurant. This building has it all. Remember, deals are not found, deals are made. Well, that's what a good agent does. He brings his clients wonderful opportunities and negotiates them into fantastic deals. If you or someone you know is looking to buy, sell, rent, or lease property, or for a private showing of this magnificent opportunity, call me. Call me today. The name is Weinschneider, Leon Weinschneider, 007, licensed to sell, the most trusted real estate agent in South Florida. 305-812-1090. Again, 305-812-1090. Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you, and make it a great day.